What is up, guys? It's me, Eddie, back with another video, and here is the Field of Trucks for Sign Up Series 9 Gravedigger Edition. In Gravedigger the Legend, Ice is Addison Addison Taylor. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I mispronounced it. My mother in the 25th anniversary Gravedigger. In the Spin Master Gravedigger, Adam the Ultra Savage. In the Reveal the Steel Gravedigger will be Monster Jam Myth Gamer. By the way, this is the Sign Up Series 8 King of Losers truck. This is the Sign Up Series 6 and 7 truck. And up next, Monster Jam Collector Racing. The winner of Sign Up Series 8, and in his Sign Up Series 8 winning truck, Gravedigger the Legend Spin Master. In the Travel Treads Gravedigger, Brian Smith. If I mispronounced anybody's names, I'm sorry. In the Grim Gravedigger, Buzz. In Son of a Digger, Woody. In Mud Digger, Grim. In Ghost Myth Gamer, the Purple 30th anniversary. Oh, wait, excuse me, I mispronounced. I did it backwards. In the 30th anniversary, Purple Ghost Myth Gamer. In the Green 30th anniversary, Soldier Myth. In the Black 30th anniversary, Samus. Monster Jam Freak 1 in the Sign Up Series Ramp Digger. Monster Jam Freak 2 in Grain Digger. Monster Jam Freak 3 in the regular Gravedigger. Super Poop in the Dark Blue Gravedigger. Kermit in the Color Shifters Gravedigger. And last but not least, Creeper in the 2006 Gravedigger. This has been the Field of Trucks. The event will be coming soon.